That's a haddock.
That's a haddock.
I have never seen anything that big, like.
Yeah, most of them.
Well, no, not a haddock that big. Say again?
Cod's over there.
Big cod.
Split. They're already split. They're already produced.
Right. The barder. That's a mechanical device for filleting. Yeah? All right. This is all the fish we've caught in 2 days. Wow, there's Wolfie there. He's still alive. And we miss him and his lovely teeth. Frazer's going to get a little look at those, brilliant dentist work. Okay, we're going to see the split cod. Oh my goodness.
The head's 4 ways slitted.
Right, that's the head. What
do we do with that?
Gets salted and goes away. Skin.
What do we eat? The Spanish eat them? Funny people Spanish.
Where's these split ones?
Right here.
Okay.
You can see the size of them. They've been salted. That.
So that's salt on there, not ice, right?
It's salt, yeah.
Here we go.
Appreciating this, but you can
That,
see the size of them.
That's the size of the cod. Okay, Sean.
Yeah.
Right, explain to us what you're doing there from the start.
To get maximum meat, you're going to cut round the net. You'll get that one on the other side of it.
Right, just hang on, Sean. Sorry, I'm going to end up getting filleted myself. Okay.
A bit too fresh.
Are they?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're going round the net.
Yeah.
And off the flat. And you're putting your knife on the backbone.
And
just running it down this bone.
Yeah.
Nice and gently. Then you're coming up, keeping your knife on the bone.
Yeah.
Going into the net to get all the meat out of the net.
Yes.
And there's the breastbone that you're going over here.
Yeah.
You take this off.
Wolfie.
And the second side, we get the neck again, but I snap it out.
Right.
And come up the flap again.
Yeah.
And you put your knife on the back fin.
Yeah.
Come up it nice and gently. Into the net to crack that bit out.
Yeah.
Over the breastbone. And you're just coming down. Keeping your knife flat.
Yeah.
On the board and on the fish.
Brilliant.
To get as much meat as possible.
Excellent.
Here's Wolfie.
This is Wolfie, is one of our most favourite friends from the depths we've ever had.
Up the head. Yeah. Up the flap.
Frazer caught this fish. Wolfie fillet. Beautiful. Superb. Excellent words to explain exactly how we prepare the bait here.
You just make a cut on the blueies, or sari are they called? Is it
Yeah.
Saris. Very oily fish, which obviously attracts the fish, the cod hopefully.
But they don't live here, that's the crazy thing, isn't it?
Well, it is, yeah, I guess so, but they seem to like it.
Fish is fish.
Exactly, yeah. And generally what we do is we put the hook through 3 times, twice or thrice I think, as Steve says. So it's 1, twist, 2, up the shank, and 3, final one there, and hopefully that'll be a nice oily little lure to attract the fish.
That sounded like a bite, but in fact it was a seagull, which are annoying us an awful lot. So other bits of bait, good work Frazer with that. That's the sorry there that he's working with. These are being imported I think from Taiwan. Then we've got a box of lugworm here, which basically is running low now, but there was probably, I don't know, 1,000 in there when we started. They're quite big worms. I mean, look at the size of these lugs.
Dug in Reykjavik.
Yeah, dug in Reykjavik. Put it against the white, then you can see it. This is the wolffish Frazer caught. Steve's cooking up a storm. First time we've eaten what we've caught. How's it going, lads? It's a really firm flesh and really tasty.
Ah, so here we are, a rather pleasant evening on the Thursday night. It's 10 to 9 and we've decided to come up to a spot on the boat for some Arctic char fishing. There's Mark with his can of sustenance beside him, and there's Callum. I've got the office, the hard labour job of rowing.
Thank you, sir.
The story of my life, heavy labour. And there we are, Mark's in.
Okay, we've come to the mouth, well not the mouth, but the centre part of the river. And I think we're being shouted at to come back. Okay, we'll come back! An Arctic char. Very beautiful. Shame it wasn't as big as putting it next to Frazer like that. We have a little bit of a problem in the Sean. Sean has dropped his car keys into a fjord. Fjords tend to be rather deep and they're full of whales and fish and now modern car key products. So this very fine Icelandic gentleman is going to help us try and find them. Oh, the excitement of holidays. At least it wasn't one of us, eh guys?
So you hired a professional diver to come?
Yeah. He said that he has had incidents where really big fish have taken the rod stands and everything in, and they've had to hire a diver to go and get all his gear back. Mind you, car keys, they do represent the car, which is worth a bit more than a rod. Callum's dangling a pair of scissors down where we thought they were dropped. These are dry suits. These chaps actually dive off the chimney stacks here of hot water where there's huge clams and fish. Are you going to go in with him, Frazer, just to keep him company?
Yeah.
Can I just ask you, do you think English people are really silly when they lose their car keys? No. I think they are. He's got them. Got them.
Pastor! Shut up!
Got them.
Way! King of the deep! Oh, big one there. Yeah. Big one. See his head. Lift this box so you can get them out. There we go. Right. That is.
On that one.
Yeah, actually they're smaller, aren't they? That is a spotted wolfish. Okay, we've got it.